Nvidia is always a fan favorite for Lotto and quick day trade opportunity. Pre-market is showing a little bit of weakness, but with earnings in the coming weeks, we could see some increased volatility. I would be watching for price action to either hit support or resistance, and then play the bounces. Mara, it's always popular, especially when the crypto market is rocking. With Trump winning, the crypto market has been accelerating with the potential of being part of his administration plan. However, I would be looking for a little bit of cool down, but if you start to see this rise above its baseline, I would go long on a day trade. But if we hit that resistance point and reject it, we obviously want to go short. I like Walmart for a day trade opportunity. I think if we see the break above yesterday's high, we could get some acceleration to the upside, especially given its popularity and increasing trend. This could be looking at a breakout as it goes into its earnings. Oxy has been struggling, and I would be looking for a pop, and then explain the rejection to the downside. I think this ticker will see some moves with the Trump administration, but we're still a ways away from January. So I think this continues a slide into the buy zone for institutions. DraftKings slumped on earnings report, but that could present us with the buy zone opportunity. So I will be watching this one for a push above baseline. In which case, I wouldn't mind going long on a breakout for a day trade, and I'm not opposed to going further out on some leap options. Also, share accumulation, I think, is a good idea anywhere in the $30 range. Disney looks a little weak right now. However, if we start to see an increase in volume and price action, this is always a good ticker to play to the upside when you see relative volume increasing. So that is the key for going along on this particular play. Otherwise, we probably want to play short towards 95. I like SHOP for a day trading opportunity, especially if we get the bump on relative volume in the day. I'm not really wanting to go short on this one, so I will just wait for increased volume and then play it from the bounce. Winter is coming, and I believe Snowflake is ready. This used to be my day, darling, but has been pretty lackluster as of recently. However, with a lot of these other companies in their industry getting some negative PR, Snowflake has stayed relatively out of the headlines. So I think it's a good opportunity to see the run on this one and any type of increased volume. I'll be looking for a breakout opportunity. Home Depot popped on some decent earnings, and this is always a great opportunity for a day trade. But I would wait for an initial downtrend and for some support kick in before going long, because this is notorious for popping and then cooling off. I like Target to the upside, and I think this would be a good opportunity to look for longs towards 155. You definitely want to buy yourself some time, and you may have to wait through some choppy waters, so make sure you leave a little dry powder on the sidelines in case you need to average down. Finally, let's look at Airbnb. They actually beat earnings, but when analysts dug through the earnings report, they found some issues with their forward projections. So the way the trend looks now, this thing is slumping pretty hard, and I would imagine we get maybe a little bit of a bounce, and then we continue that slide back towards the $130 range. And real quick, because this just popped up on the news, I want to go over BA. I think this will be a great opportunity for a long play out the gate, and I would be looking for an entry into this just for a day trade, but I want to make sure I buy a week or two, just to make sure we don't fall into any ruts with Friday market into a long weekend. All right, that's all I got for you today. Don't forget, join TWR Premium today. Quit wasting money. That's not teaching you how to make money. The link to join is in the description. I hope to see you when the market bell rings.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day, we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks.